This is a 2011 Subaru Impreza WRX. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed manual transmission and a 2.5-liter engine. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, a sports suspension, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.